how to remove someone from share list on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're diving into how to remove someone from a share list on TikTok if you're tired of unwanted shares. Now, first things first, open your TikTok app. After choosing the chat of the person that you don't want to share your stories to, tap on the three dots on the top and then click on block. They will not be able to send you messages, see your post, and find your profile. However, they won't be notified that you blocked them, and after blocking them, they will not appear on your share list. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. Please give it a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.